How to save your reel to your camera roll on Instagram. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to save your reel to your camera roll on Instagram. It's so easy and quick, so let's jump in. First thing, you should go to your Instagram, go to your profile and click on reels, click on your reel, and now click on those 3 points and click on save to camera roll. Wait a second, and now this reel have saved to your camera. Now all you need to do is go back to your gallery and you're gonna find the video. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video don't forget to subscribe and like.